Hello there. Happy New Year and welcome to HR Advantage Coffee Talks. This is our monthly video message to our business partners and community just to share HR updates and what's going. So we're starting 2022 off with a bang. We're talking about Supreme Court, lots of COVID-19 cases with our clients. So without further ado, I am going to pass it over to Lynette Weatherford and Candida Arvizu to talk to us about what's going on right now in the HR world.
Yeah, so lots happening, and if many of you may be aware, you may not be aware, you may not care about, if you are an employer that's 100 or more, at least for now, today, we have notification that the Supreme Court has blocked, the ETS about mandating vaccines in the workplace and or testing. Again, it's tabled for now, so that last thing for you about this week, and stay tuned for more information. I know that with Candida and I and Camille, our advisors here at HRA, every day, we are working closely with employers to navigate through this time of an uptick, with COVID cases and exposures and things like that. And so we thought it would be really helpful, for employers to learn, if you're not already doing this, some ideas and concerns and just best practices during this time. And Candida, I might turn it over to you to see what you're finding and you're advising on as far as the uptick.
Well, we really think that it's best for an employer to have one point of contact rather than different managers handling situations different ways. So we think it will help with consistency if one person is selected as that contact. Ideally, that person would be your HR contact there in the business. We also do that for some of our clients, serve in that role to remain consistent in the application of whatever rule your company has established for that, whether they're following CDC guidelines or local health department guidelines or just company rules with regard to when they can return from quarantine or isolation or who else may need to be called, consistent messaging and things like that to affected employees regarding the exposures in the workplace and positive tests. So we really do think having one person manage that is a good idea.
Yeah, absolutely. And I know with some of my clients, they've asked about, should we go back to masking, an ordinance? Should we go back to temperature checks? I'm like, if that's what you feel like your business needs, if you're a private employer, feel free. If that gives a sense of security and safety for all, absolutely feel free to, exercise those methods there. And, CDC seems to be changing, its flow chart quite often. And so we're also navigating with that as well. Is there anything else, Candida, that you're seeing or suggesting along those lines?
Absolutely. So don't forget enhanced cleaning protocols. We have some partners that may help with that we can put you in touch with. Another resource we would like to give to you is a flow chart to handle things according to the most recent guidance from the CDC if you're interested in doing that. We have created that for our businesses that we help, our client employers, and so we would like to get that out to you if you're interested. Lynette's put that up on the screen, and may not be the easiest thing to read on our coffee talk, but we're happy to send you one so you can get it in your hands and begin using it right away.
Oh, perfect. We found this to be invaluable, from, hey, my child was sent home and there's a possible exposure in the household, to, hey, I have an employee at work that is starting to exhibit symptoms, or, hey, my employee just notified me that they tested positive. And so this is just a handy reference guide, best practices. It does mirror quite closely to the CDC. But if you're interested in this, we encourage you, like Candida said, to reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to share this with you. But we just want to let you know we're here for you as employers are navigating during this time, and not to carry that burden on, solely by yourself. And anything that we can do, we're always here to help. All right. Well, I think that's it for January's Coffee Talk, and we look forward to seeing you on future ones, and we look forward to hearing back from you.